feeling very business profesh today, but I have parties on my sleeves, so it's not as serious as it looks, guys. And I have a rogue hair, as always, on my face. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming for you my January favorites. I combined November and December, so I'm so happy to be filming this because I really missed it. I love filming these videos for you guys, and I'm so excited to share with you some of my favorite things. Some of this you have may seen recently in my haul, some of it you haven't, and I'm just so excited to talk about it with you guys. So if you want to see my favorites from the month, then let's keep watching. Let's keep watching. I'm not watching. Then please keep watching. Okay, the first thing you might be like, whoopsies, already dropped something. You might be like, how is this your favorite? Because you haven't worn it yet, because it's the dead of winter. But Target always has the best bathing suits, and they always come out at like this time of the year when one, your bikini body is probably not where you want it to be, at least mine's not, and two, you're not really thinking about that time, but then by the time summer comes and you're ready, they're all picked through and the good ones are gone. So that's why I'm talking to you about these now, so that you can run to your local Target, go on target.com, whatever, and pick out your favorites. So the first thing is this bikini, which is so cute. It is a little gingham style like bra top with like a little knot in the front. It's so cute. The material seems like really thick and nice. I absolutely love this bikini. I'm loving this look. I love the black and white because I feel like you can just throw on like a little, like a big like a men's Oxford as like a dress and wear it open, a pair of jean shorts. Like, I just think this casual style is so cute. I love the bottoms as well. They're little ties and they actually do untie. I tried this on. It fits so well, you guys. So if you have a Target near you, go grab this, because this was $17.99 and this was $17.99. So really, really affordable bathing suit. And bathing suits lately, the price is just mind-boggling, like how expensive bathing suits are. So I understand that. So I'm like, let's go get them for a deal. And then the next one, I tried this one on too as well. It's so cute. It's a one piece and it's like army green, and it has that kind of lace detail that we've been seeing everywhere in the front, and then a really, really low scoop back. This one was $29.99. So such a good deal. Again, this is really great, like if you are going on a trip with like a couple or a group of girls, or like with other people, or you go to like, I don't know, the beach and you're going on a boat for the day or something like that, and you don't want to be like fully naked. This with a pair of shorts over it or a jean skirt is like a really good way to like still get the outfit across, and like you're still in your bathing suit, but you have a shirt on. So like if you don't want your stomach hanging out the whole day, you don't have to have your stomach hanging out the whole day. So I love that. I love both of these. I love the colors. Just, I don't know, hit up your local Target and see if they have them. If not, I'm sure they have it online. They're both from the brand Exhilaration. I guess we'll just like stick to like fashion-y type things. The next thing is this beanie that I picked up from Nordstrom. It is by the brand, I think it's just by BP. I got it in the BP section, and I got it for like $7, you guys. So I've been wanting a cheetah beanie because I think they're so cute, and I wear so much all black, you guys, that I'm like, I need some like pop of fun. You know, I love like the pop of booty fun, not like to pop my booty, but the pop of like a cheetah booty or a white booty or like a snakeskin booty shoe. But I also love to just stick with my black boots or my tan boots and have this like accessory be my kind of pop of color. So I'm loving that. The next thing, I know, I'm talking about another pair of sunglasses, but the good news about these is that they were like $7, $13, $10, somewhere under $15 on Amazon. They're a complete dupe for Celine sunglasses. So they're so dirty right now. Wow. Okay, so I keep these in my purse actually, and I love that because they're super inexpensive, that like if I lose them, it's no big deal. But they have like the dots, they look exactly like Chloe, except for they're like matte under here, but whatever. Did I say Chloe? Celine. So they're so comfortable on the face. I feel like they look really good, and what I love the most about them is they look really cute on your head, and I don't feel bad about like stretching them out because they're so inexpensive. But so this is like the cutest sunglass. Amazon, I will try and find it and link it below, but it's by the brand Zero UV. It came with this little case, but yeah, they have a ton of like look-alike sunglasses. They're obviously like cheaply made and they're not as nice as the real ones, but if just to throw in your bag, like whatever, just have a throw around pair is always really nice, especially in the summer when you're like at the beach or by the water. If you lose them, you get a new pair. Next, I'm going to talk about my vitamins that I'm obsessed with. I've been loving these. These are the Ollie Perfect Women's Multivitamin. They are a multitasking blend of vitamins A, C, D, E, B's, biotin, and folic acid. They are gummy. They don't taste like a gummy bear, but they're still pretty good. And I just love all the stuff it has in it. It has like just good things for your body. It says, say hello to your body's new BFF, a multitasking blend of essential nutrients to support daily health and help the gaps when your eating habits are a little less than perfect. Really exactly what I want. I want something to take every day that I feel good about putting that stuff in my body and like kind of pumping my body with the stuff that it needs, because like it says, like sometimes you don't eat everything that you need. So it's really good to have a supplement and to take care of your body. So if you don't take a daily vitamin, I suggest it. Like, as I'm sick, I'm telling you this. But I really do suggest it, and I think you're gonna really, your body will thank you later. Next thing is this Mario Badescu facial spray with lavender. Oh my god, you guys, this is a spa in a bottle. Like, if I closed my eyes and was laying down and somebody did that to me, I would believe that I was in, wow, I just stabbed myself in the eye with something. That I was in like a nice spa. Like, it feels and smells and reminds me of a spa, and I just love that. But it's also really good for hydrating. It's really good to set your makeup. It's really good before your makeup. I just really suggest this. It's so affordable. It's at Ulta. Mario Badescu is just the bomb. Okay, so when I say Mario Badescu is the bomb, I mean it. I have recently tried this Mario Badescu Vitamin C Serum. I picked this up at Ulta, and I have noticed such a huge difference in my skin. I don't know if it's totally just this or just the combination of everything I'm doing. If you guys want an updated skincare routine, let me know. I know I haven't done one in a while, and I definitely have changed what I do. Not all the products, but a lot. And it's so good. So this says it helps protect your skin from the damaging effects of free radicals with our antioxidant-rich vitamin C serum. Ascorbic acid helps reduce the visible signs of aging, brightens uneven skin tone, and smooths all over texture. It says apply 3 to 4 drops on the skin every other night, and that's exactly what I've been doing, and I totally buy into this. My skin seems so much smoother, like one color, not so like patchy and just yucky. So sometimes I do it like by itself. I just do the 3 or 4 drops and I just like tap it into my skin. Other times I mix it in with my moisturizer just like all at once. If you want a skincare routine, I can give you one. This is so good, and for a really nice serum, it is not crazy expensive. I believe it's like around $30, but like some of the really high-end ones go for like $100 some. So it's really good. And then the facial cleanser that I've been using this month that I'm really liking, I keep this one in my shower actually, is the Keihl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. It is a mild cleanser specifically formulated with a foaming agent to cleanse skin, remove makeup without drying or stripping its skin of the natural oils. It has apricot kernel oil, vitamin E, avocado oil. It's just really good. It's super affordable as well. I believe this is in like the $20 range, and it comes with a ton of product. I mean, this is 5 ounces of product. It's big. And I just really like how gentle it is, exactly what it says. Like, it doesn't strip your skin, but it takes your makeup off. Like, I use this in the shower. It does burn your eyes, so don't get this in your eyes, but I have to like avoid my eyes because of my eyelash extensions, and I feel like because I'm trying to avoid it so bad that I get it somehow in my eye anyways, and it does burn. But if you know, are washing your whole face, that won't happen to you if you don't have eyelash extensions. But it's really gentle. It's really nice. Franco's actually even been using this, and he does not touch facial products. He's so against it, which I'm like, are you kidding me? I'm the ultimate skin junkie, and how do you not like care? But he doesn't. But I put this in the shower, and he's been starting to use it. So it's really nice. It's really good. If you haven't tried this out, Keihl's is just an awesome brand, so check them out. So a foundation that I've been loving this month is this Power Fabric Long Wear High Coverage Foundation from Giorgio Armani. It is so good. I've been on a kick of trying like a bunch of different foundations lately because the Dior Skin foundation like changed my life, and I was like, if there's other great foundations, I should totally try them. Everyone talks about the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, but I wanted to try one that has a little bit more coverage. It still has SPF, doesn't leave flashback. It's what I'm wearing today. It's really beautiful, you guys. It's amazing. The packaging is nice. It like magnets down. I've been traveling with this. I've been using it a ton. I really like this. If you guys are in the market for a new foundation, I would definitely suggest Giorgio Armani. 1 random thing and then 2 hair things, and we are done. This Starbucks cup is so amazing, and I don't just mean this one, like any, I mean look, literally I have water actually in this one for the purpose of this video. This one is from Kate Spade. My friends got it for me. It says from Miss to Mrs. and like a little engagement ring. They got it for me when I got engaged. This one is super big, which is why I love this one. It's from Starbucks, but I have been obsessed with lemon water. Like, I put in like a full lemon and a half in each cup of water that I drink, and it's been encouraging me and helping me drink more water. It's great for your digestive system. It's great for your metabolism. It's just so good for you. So I have been filling this thing up, squeezing like 3 lemons in it, 2 lemons in it, 1 lemon, whatever I have on me, and like chugging water. And I've just noticed such a difference in, one, that I am a lot of times not as hungry as I think. I'm thirsty, so I've been eating less and I just feel a lot better. My skin feels better. I'm not as bloated. Like, I don't know. I just suggest getting yourself like a good tumbler, whether it's like, I don't know, people love those ones that stay cold. What's that? Yeti cup, whatever cup that you need. Definitely go check that out. And this will certainly make you drink more water throughout the day. It's awesome. I have one in my office. I have one here at my home, and I keep them everywhere. I have this one next to my bed a lot of the time, so at night I drink water, and I just really, really, really love it. So get yourself a good tumbler, something that like encourages you to drink more water, and I think your skin and your body will thank you later. Next, I've been obsessed with these hair ties. This is from the brand Keihl, I believe. And then I also have some brown ones from the brand Invisibobble, I believe, but they're all really great. These are just so good in like keeping your hair secure. I've been loving them. I've been using them all month long. They're so, so, so good. I think this has like replaced any hair tie that I've ever had. It doesn't like pull my hair out. It doesn't knot. It doesn't leave a dent. It's great when I work out. It keeps it really, really tight and not like pulling tight. Last but not least is this brush from Dry Bar. I just want to brush my hair right now. It makes me want to brush my hair all the time because it brushes out, but it's so thin that it doesn't like pull, and then you get like refreshed curls after you brush it. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's so good. I feel like you guys will love it. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. So that is it for my January favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!